Start. In regard to the amending provision, I want to know from the minister what would be his difficulty even if minor offences are taken to courts of law. Full stop. For instance, the Motor Vehicles Act deals with various offences, both major and minor, and various minor offences under the act are taken to courts and people are prosecuted. Full stop. What is the difficulty in taking these cases of a minor nature of courts of law? Question mark. There, the people will have some safety that they will get a hearing, and if the offences are really offences, then they would be prosecuted. Full stop. Otherwise, they will be acquitted. Full stop. Here, the minister says that there should be a security deposit. Full stop. If there is a violation of a particular provision of the enactment, then the executive authority will have the power either to confiscate a part of the amount or the whole of the amount. Full stop. We are clothing the executive authority with more powers. Full stop. I do not grudge giving powers to the executive authority, provided they are used properly and effectively and in a most fair manner. Full stop. But unfortunately, there have been discriminations, apart from the ineffectiveness of the various provisions. Full stop. Wherever these provisions were used, there had been discriminatory use of these provisions against a few or in favor of a few. Full stop. Normally, when officers are clothed with more powers, there is large scope for corruption. Full stop. I feel that it would be desirable to avoid such malpractices, and it would be desirable, I think, that even for minor offences the parties should have a chance to defend their actions. Full stop. I do not think that this problem of dealing with minor offences will become complex or complicated in any way, if we take them to courts of law. Full stop. I want a reply from the minister in what way he is suffering from a handicap in dealing with minor offences or offences of a technical nature. Full stop. Next para. The honorable member made the point that even if this thing was acceptable to the house, he did not know what amount would be demanded as security. Full stop. So, the minister should tell us what amount is normally expected from a license in all cases and what the offences are which are of a technical or minor nature which he has in view. Full stop. We are not told which are major offences and which are minor offences. Full stop. Clarifications on these points are necessary. Full stop. That's all.